Today we're making sweet chili chicken. We're going to take our chicken, and you can see we've cut it into chunks, and this is just 3 chicken breasts. Now we're going to salt it, add some cornstarch, add enough to cover good, add a little bit of flour, just a little. Then you add enough water to get it all mixed together, guys. We're just creating a kind of marinade, I guess you'd call it, or a fry batter for our chicken. Okay, we're going to set that to the side. Now we're going to make our sweet chili sauce. We're going to add about half a cup of mayonnaise, or maybe that's more of a fourth a cup. A fourth a cup of sweet chili. That's a Chinese sauce. We're going to add like a couple of dashes of some Worcestershire, probably about a teaspoon. We're going to add about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Then we're going to give that a good mix, and then we're going to add in some hoisin sauce. Add that to your taste. It's a little briny kind of taste, but it's delicious to me. We're just adding in a good squeeze of that. Mix it in real good. And then we'll set that to the side. Nope, sorry. We'll add some more cornstarch to it. That's so that when we cook it, it'll thicken up, guys. I added about a teaspoon of cornstarch and just mix it in it. Now we're showing frying the chicken. I do have this sped up because it's just frying like normal, but try to keep it separated when you put it in there. This is all sped up, taking it up when it's done. Now we're putting our sweet chili sauce in the pan, and remember it has cornstarch in it. We're going to add a little bit of water to it to rinse my bowl out. I probably added about maybe a fourth of a cup of water to rinse my bowl out. Okay, and then you just stir it good, and it'll thicken up pretty quick because there's not much of it, so it boils quicker. And then once it gets thick, we'll just put our chicken back in there. This is so good, guys. I'm telling you, it's so good. Oh, I forgot I added the sesame seeds. See there? Added sesame seeds. Now we're putting all our chicken back in there. And then you can serve this over rice. You can serve it over noodles, whichever's your choice. We served it over rice today, and it was fantastic. Just plain white rice that I cooked. It was so good, guys. You've got to give this one a try because it is delicious. There it is.